Hello, people. Yolande here, day in the life, to give you a unboxing and just kind of like talk about what's going on. I haven't been on for a while uh, because of this COVID-19 thing, so I haven't had a lot of content to show, and so hopefully I will be able to figure out some content to give you. And I'm sorry that it's taken me a month to to even do this, but it's just been really difficult when nothing's going on because you're at home all day long. I don't have any kids to show you. I don't have any particular talents to show off. So it's like sit here and gripe and tell you what you already know, or be quiet. So I've decided to be quiet. But today I got a package from Amazon, and I'm hoping you'll be able to see, because I just don't have things set up for me to do what I need to do in order to show you good stuff. So be patient, bear with me. Okay, the first thing I got is a new steampunk jacket. I have been looking at this jacket probably about a year. I know over 6 months. I know over 6 months. And I was afraid to get it because on the screen it looks really small. They say the size is up to a 4X. I usually take a 2X in whatever clothes I'm getting. They recommend that you go a size above. I said, if I can't fit a 4X, then there's no such thing as a jacket that I can buy. I have to have it custom made, and that's expensive, you know. So I don't know if or when I will be able to get it. I'm just really hoping that this jacket fits. But it is a beautiful looking jacket. It's a long jacket. It's supposed to go down to your, below your knees. It looks like, just looking at it right now, it looks like it might be big enough. It might actually even be too big. I doubt it though. So I'm going to try it on and show you the best I can show you. Yeah, it's not too big. It's actually too small, because I think it should button, and it doesn't. It's too small. Like I thought. So this will probably go back. The sleeves are perfect. The sleeves are perfect. Usually my sleeves like are up here, but these actually come down to my wrists, which is perfect. But if I don't know, I might keep it and just try and make it work. I'm not sure, but it is. It's too small because it won't button. It won't button. I'm fat. I can't get stuff that's nice. So I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I needed a 5 or 6X, but they only went up to 4X. If I decide not to keep it, I can return it. So it's not that big of a deal. Um I'm so sad. But that's the reason why I took so long to order, because I kept saying it's going to be too small. It's going to be too small. It's going to be too small. And then I kept looking at it and looking at it and looking at it and reading the reviews and blah, blah. And I said, like, well, they do offer free returns. So that'll be nice. And, you know, if it turns out that it's totally, totally too small, then, you know, I will return it. And I'm going to think about that a little bit longer, you know, to see if I can make it work, whether I've got uh, whether it's like leave it open, you know, if it'll work being left open. And the other thing I got is my camera. You know, I've been wanting to get a decent camcorder so that I can move away from my computer desk and I can don't have to worry about, I don't know what the word is, but you know, just using my phone. Um my phone is good, it's okay, but it's a pain in the ass getting stuff off it. So if I have this and I have an SD card, hopefully everything will work itself out. But the camera, let's see if I can see where it, who's it by. It's a cheap Chinese camera. No, that's not a brand name on that. Doesn't seem to have a brand name on it. I can't remember what it is. Who's it by? But what you call it? It's a 4K Ultra HD, which I thought was probably the best thing to do. And it's a camcorder. You're supposed to be able to take still photos with it too. Um, and it has a, what you call it? A lens guard, a mic, but I think the sound on everything, remote control to zoom in and take take pictures, battery, lens cap, a USB cord, and power cord. So hopefully that will, oh, excuse me, that will help a lot during these photos. I've got a tripod already, so I'm just hoping that I am able to get the stuff going. And once I have used everything, I will get back to you. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave comments, something. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.